by Evie and Ed. What to do in an air raid? Get to cover at once. Don't stand staring because you're most probably going to get bombed. But don't rush because you can easily trip. If there's no cover, lie down. If you are standing, you are easier to see. If you are near your home, go there. Only do this if you are less than 5 minutes from home. Don't stand by a window because it's dangerous. Admit all passers-by. Get off a main road and go onto a quieter one. Then park your car. Carry your gas mask at all times. You never know when you need it. Always remember to black out your windows. Thanks for listening. By Evie and Ed.